So guys, the employer is here at the airport to pick up some of his employees as well. So how are you, brother?
I'm good.
Yeah.
A little bit tired, but it's fine.
Yeah, I know, because actually there's a mistake on the information that happened that he arrived at the airport at 8 p.m.
Yeah,
right?
8 p.m.
And now it's 11 p.m. So what kind of company do you have here, brother?
Cleaning services, home services, like home services, massage, cleaning, and beauty salon.
Wow, so you have 3 licenses here in United Arab
yeah.
Emirates. And why do you love hiring people from the Philippines?
They are good at what they do, you know.
Yeah.
So everyone wants them, so it's best for us to have Filipino, and then I even married one, so
Wow.
Yeah.
So you're married to a Filipino, and where are you from?
Cameroon.
Oh, you're from Cameroon. Wow. So you're both lucky to each other. And is this the first time that you hired Filipinos from the Philippines?
Yes, first time.
Yeah, before you hired people, especially who's already here in United Arab Emirates. But this time, you're going to hire from the Philippines. And how many staff you're going to hire more?
For now, I can't say, but we are really planning to get more because we are just a starting company.
Yeah.
So if everything is going to be okay, we will hire more people in Philippines for sure.
Yeah, inshallah. And now this is gonna be the first batch.
Yeah, it's the first batch. Yeah.
So for the first batch, they hired. Actually, it's like 12 people already in total. But right now, you know, when the visa is already processed, oh wow, ECP does, because you know the business should run fast as well. You know, they need to move right away. So right now we're going to pick up 2 employees from the Philippines. So how was the process for you?
Smooth, nice. So you're even here, so it's better. So I don't have to be worried anymore. So I can sit and just relax. So the process is good. So I like the service.
And also, are you gonna recommend our services for all the companies who wants to hire from the Philippines?
Of course. I really do. I really plan to tell to everybody, like, if you really want to get someone from Philippines, just go to you and
contact us, but because we're going to help you to do all the documentation here in United Arab Emirates and also in the Philippines. But the thing is, what is the difference of hiring people here in United Arab Emirates and from the Philippines? Do you think, oh sorry, he cannot tell it for now because it's going to be the first time? So in the future, that's the time that he will tell us the difference of the people from the Philippines, because they are fresh, they don't have any relatives here in United Arab Emirates, no idea how is United Arab Emirates. And I think people or employer from United Arab Emirates love to hire from the Philippines because of these reasons, right?
Yeah.
Because sometimes if they have relatives here in UAE, someone will be pushed to move to other companies as well. So can you tell me some struggles that you encountered hiring staff from here in United Arab Emirates already?
You know, when you're trying to hire people from UAE directly, most of them, they would just want to get a visa, you know, and then after that, they will maybe not think about the company, maybe they will not be focused and they will not give their best. So it's better to hire people from Philippines because they have dreams, they are willing to work hard to build something new. They were not brainwashed by UAE. So
yeah, you're right.
So let's try this one, and then maybe later on I will be giving other reviews. So let's see.
Yeah, that's the main reason actually, because people in United Arab Emirates, especially in the UAE, especially in salon business, they don't have some experience here, and then in case that you're going to hire them, you have to train them very well. But if in case that the employer will hire from the Philippines, you know, they already have an experience. It's just like you're going to let them go to the office or to the shop or to the salon, and then they're going to work because you already did the interview online. Yes, it's only online, but they sent all their portfolio, like nail, something that they're doing, hair, massage, and everything. Okay, so right now we're going to wait them, and we're going to ask them as well how was the process from the Philippines and how was the interview. So thank you so much, brother.
You're
I
welcome.
really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Guys, finally, hi, Miss Kim and Miss Eileen. So see you there po. Oh, finally. So guys, finally welcome po sa Dubai. So nakakatawa naman po kasi talagang ginawa ng kanyang boyfriend. Hey, kakakilig naman. Naihanap talaga ng trabaho dito si ate. So yung boyfriend niya is nagkataon na client din namin from the Philippines. So talagang ilang months lang po yung ano nyo, no?
Ano, 1 month lang ata. 1 month po.
So 1 month lang po kayong LDR, pagkapos talagang ginawa niya ng paraan. So ngayon mas madali na kasi meron siyang trabaho, so may pera siya para sa placement fee. Ay!
Kalahati.
Kalahati po. So at least, di ba? So talagang gagawin ng lahat sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. At ang nakakatawa, in 30 minutes, Valentine's Day! Kaya naman pala, hinabol naman talaga ang Valentine's. Kasi nga lang, I think hindi sila pwede agad lumabas kasi mag-ano kayo, so syempre kay employer muna tayo. So hindi ko mapipigil yun kasi sa employer, alam mo, trabaho naman talaga ang pinunta natin dito aside from your jowa. Okay? So sige po, kamusta naman po yung processing natin from the Philippines?
Okay naman po, napaka-smooth ng transaction.
Meron po bang mga hinahanap na documents doon sa Philippine Immigration?
Wala po. Yung ano lang po, nag-file ako nung offload ko nung last year.
So na-upload po kayo dati? Bakit po kayo na-upload?
Ano po, visit visa yung ginamit namin. Tapos hinanapan ako ng AOS, Benefit of Support.
Okay. So ano yung naramdaman nyo na na-upload kayo that time?
Disappointed po, pero ganun talaga. May balak ang Diyos.
Yes.
The perfect time.
Yeah. So mas okay naman talaga itong ginawa niya kasi this time talaga may work na siya. So yun yung pinaka nakakatawa pag mayroon ka na talagang trabaho, pupunta ka dito, gagastos ka, sulit na sulit. So, marirecommend nyo po ba yung company namin sa pag-pass ng documents nyo?
Opo, 100% po na marirecommend ko. Kaya, PM na po kayo sa ABA.
Yeah. At ikaw po, tatanungin ko siyempre si Jowa ay nagkaroon ng trabaho sa inyo. Paano po niya nahanap yung trabaho para sa inyo?
Bali, sir, nag-PM po siya kay Sir Ali. Hello po, Sir Ali. Shoutout po sa inyo. Tsaka, ayun, nag-message siya sa akin. Tapos, kami nag-connect ni Sir Ali. Oo, nag-usap.
At ano naman po yung magiging trabaho niyo dito?
Cleaner po.
Yeah, cleaner. Experience po ba kasi pagiging cleaner?
Wala po. Kasi, food and beverage ang experience ko. Pero, okay lang yun.
So, medyo related pa rin naman.
Opo.
Pero sure ba nakakayanan nyo? Tingin nyo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Para sa pangarap.
Para sa pangarap. Yung pinaka nakakatawa at para din sa pag-ibig. So, galingan nyo po. And also, sana mas maging okay kayo dito sa United Arab Emirates. Thank you po. Bye-bye. God bless po. Bye. So guys, finally, so first batch pa lang ito at pangalawa si ate sa kinuha nila. So ano po ang pangalan nyo?
Eileen Candelario po, sir.
Miss Eileen Candelario. So kamusta naman po ang biyahe nyo?
Okay naman po, nakakapagod pero worth it naman po.
Yeah, nakakapagod pero worth it. Yan ang pinakamasarap na naririnig kasi nakakapagod pero worth it. Talagang sa pag-process ng mga documents, talagang sometimes madami kang ayusin. Pero still,
God is good.
God is good. At ang pinaka nakakatuwa is nandito na siya.
Yes po.
So, paano nyo po na kami nakita?
Yung sister ko po is nasa Abu Dhabi. So, siya po nag-send ng resume. Then, yung agency po is agad-agad tumawag sa akin sa Pilipinas. Then, nung una po may, syempre takot. Syempre, first time ko. Pero, hindi din pa ako prepared kasi napakabilis nung pag-process. Kasi, talaga pong napakabilis kasi wala po yata 3 weeks.
Walang 3 weeks.
Wala po.
Guys, alam nyo ba na pagkailangan talaga ng employer ng tao, agad-agad papaalisin namin. Especially sabi nga namin, okay na yung job order nito. So, tao na lang yung kakailanganin natin. So, nagulat po kayo nung lilipad na kayo, hindi po prepared.
Ako po, hindi pa ako prepared. Talagang, pero, halihan lang, God is good. So, dito na tayo sa Dubai.
Yeah. So sana kayanin niyo yung mga pagsubok dito kasi cleaner, hindi rin naman niya madali, pero still, nasa trabaho niyo pa rin. So, marirecommend niyo po ba yung mga company namin sa...
Ayoko, 100% po ang ABA agency kasi napakabilis, then safe po.
Yeah. Ano po yung mga hinanap sa inyong documents doon sa Philippine Immigration?
Wala naman po yung visa lang at saka yung
OWA. Yeah. So, first time niyo po magiging OFW?
Ako first time.
Yeah. Ano po ang niya nararamdaman niyo as a first time?
Excited po pero syempre Ilocano tayo, ilaban.
Yes! Mga yung mga Ilocano So sige po, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na po papatagalin kasi yung employer nyo is kanina pa dito alas 8. So sana mas maging okay po kayo and God bless po. Welcome to Dubai!
Thank you po!
Bye-bye! Okay, so thank you so much to the employer again. Yeah. And sa inyo din po, thank you so much. And kayo, thank you so much po. So, you can take them now because it's already late. I know that you waited for too long. Okay, thank you. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Sige po, thank you. Ay, ingat po kayo Bye-bye. Ay, oh my God.
Pati kay Sir Ali.
Yeah, thank you po. Thank you. Thank you po. Bye-bye po. God bless. Ay, ayaw si Tita. Natatandaan ko to si Tita. Oh. Happy Valentine's! Ayun na nga, finally guys, nakarating na rin yung mga client natin dito from the Philippines na hinar ng employer na first time nag-hire sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga most of the time dito talaga sila nagsisipag-hire sa UAE. But the thing is, medyo makukulit talaga yung mga tao. Hindi ko naman sinisiraan yung mga Filipino na nandito na, pero still, tama nga naman sinabi niya pag mayroong mga kamag-anak dito. So, pagkapos medyo nahirapan lang na kaunti yung kanilang kamag-anak dun sa employer. So, syempre, alam ko naman tayo mga Filipino is talagang magbibigay ng mga saklolo doon sa mga nahihirapan. But the thing is, mabilis umalis yung mga tao doon sa isang company pag nga naman tinutulungan ng ibang mga kamag-anak na nandito. Pero syempre, as an employer, talagang gagastos ng visa, gagastos ng insurance, at marami din silang gastos na minsan hindi naiintindihan ng iba na parang, okay, aalis na lang sila. Pero itong mga client natin is mga risk taker at magta-try magtrabaho dito. Kahit na mayroong placement fee na binayaran, so syempre talaga mas okay nga naman na sigurado na talaga na meron ng working visa, meron ng OWA o ECP2 at lahat is legal. So thank you po sa tiwala at marami pa silang i-hire sa Pilipinas. So sana mas maging okay po ang mga tao. So hindi po lahat ng mga nag-a-apply from the Philippines papunta dito sa United Arab Emirates is nakukuha kasi totoong work po itong ginagawa natin. So it means kailangan pumasa muna kayo sa interview para pag pumasa kayo, medical kayo, pag pasado kayo doon, bibigyan kayo ng employment visa at ticket papunta dito sa United Arab Emirates. So thank you guys for watching.